Hello everyone, today I am going to show you guys about how you can create any design of wall in the window template file and then load that wall into the project file and place it anywhere you wish. Now you can either design the wall as a model in place in the project and edit the profile of the wall which surrounds it. But I prefer to create the wall as a window family, and in this tutorial I will show you that how you can do it. But before we start, I remind you to like and share my videos, leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any kind of difficulty or query related to Revit, you can ask me anytime. So now let's start with the tutorial. Open new window template file in Revit. Go to interior elevation. Set this opening according to the size of the wall. You can also create a parametric wall in this file, but here I am going to just show you about how to create a simple wall without any parameters. Now I am going to place the reference planes within this elevation according to the design of the wall. After placing the reference planes, select extrusion in the create tab and draw the design of wall. Assign the material parameter to this extrusion which you have just drawn, but before that make sure to lock it along with the wall in the plan view. Now uh, the perforations has been created for the wall. Now I am going to place a design within these perforations. So for that, go to right elevation and again draw the design with the help of extrusion command. I'm just going to draw the design for one perforation, and after assigning material to it, you can just simply copy and paste it. The designer wall has been complete and it looks like this. Now load it into the desired project and place it on the wall. In So that's all for today, and you can see that it is quite easy to draw any type of wall design in the window template file. So I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care, and most importantly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.